In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to hit Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Now it's time to select one of your device's features to manage. Click on one of your apps and tap on the best option. When you finished, go back. If you want to access one of your apps instead, pick any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage and click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!